Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something coming in from David. I bought something from him. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, today I'm opening up my knife with my Eutsler Duckling. This is a little knife I bought off of BladeBinge. This is the Duckling, the smaller version of it. So let's get into this. All right, here we go. Oh, a nice case. It's a fancy case, huh? All right, let's see what we have. Are you ready? Whew. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Eutsler Custom Knives, a DUK, Magnacut, titanium black Timascus, thumbstuds, zirconium, Cody. So here we are. So it's thumbstud pivot collars, black Timascus, and then zirconium. So these are zirconium right here. And then this is, what am I saying this is again? It is black Timascus. So, okay, so let's look at that. Wow. Okay, so this is, it's got some stuff from the package there. This is non-milled, kind of a smooth version of what we have over here. So, as you can see, this is the Duckling, the smaller version. Here's the larger version. This has a lot of milling on there. Similar pivots, similar clip, as you can see right here. This one does have a little lanyard right there. This one doesn't. You'll see that right there as well. Very similar in many ways. All right, so here we go. All right, it's much bigger, I can tell you that. Ready? All right, polished stone washed. Let's see, how are we here? Ooh. Wow. It almost has that little spot like the brown knives has. All right, so this is a smooth textured one. Could always get Valley Blade Works to do something fancy with this if I wanted to. I know for some of you guys it's like anathema. Boy, this is very droppy, very drop shut action. Whew, really fast. Let's see, get the reverse. Nice. All right, so if I go down here, okay, how low do I have to go? No, you have to go up a little higher. Okay. So the angle on this one to drop out, you have to be out a little bit higher. You can't go down too low. So as long as you're up here, you're fine. So put my thumb here, just fine. Don't go down too low down here. Just put it right here, regular thumb, push, boom. Yeah, that actually works much easier. That's actually very nice. Okay, let's do that again. Very cool. Okay, so nice cutaway, easy chamfering in there. Our lock engagement is around 50%. Steel bar insert. Is that an wrong one. Do we have an over travel stop? We do have an over travel stop, but the pivot also acts as a secondary, it looks like over travel stop as well. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe not. So it's an over travel stop. Very nice. Nice and sharp. Beautiful flat grind. Beautiful swedge on top. I love the polished blade on there. It's almost kind of like, it's one of my more enjoyable high polished blade like that. I love the swedge on top. This one has a little swedge compared to that. Still beautiful profile. Love that. Okay, so if I release here and I catch, I can still catch. It won't be a guillotine. I will say, I will probably tighten that pivot up because it's a little fast as far as I'm concerned. Very nice. All right, so beautifully rounded all the way around. No sharp corners anywhere. No sharp corners there. Very, very cool. Really do like that. All right, so let's do a nice zoom in here. So here's that big, beautiful blade, beautiful polished, stone washed. There's that beautiful Timascus. I think it's dark Timascus. Zirconium. This is a zirconium pivot thumbstuds, excuse me. And then this is dark Timascus pivot collars. That's pretty. Beautiful, nice satin, kind of a stone washed finish on the handle. Nice and smooth. I like that. Then we've got a back spacer back here. I love that how it drops down. That's pretty cool. You've got that right there. Looks like all T8s all the way around. Maybe, or is he a T9? I forget if it's T9 or T7, something like that. I think they're a little different, if I remember correctly. Love the clip. This does go in and out of the pocket very nicely. Let's see here. I love this. No sharpness right there, even with cutaway on the lock bar there as well. That gives you plenty of room, even with my big old meaty fingers not to get on there. I do appreciate that. Here's the cutaway right there, you can see. And even that is contoured with the steel bar insert. Look at that. All the way back here. There's no extra weight relief like there isn't, yeah. So this one has weight relief on the inside, so it's much lighter. This one's definitely a little chunkier. So where is the center of that? It's about right there. So no weight relief on the scales, which that's kind of surprising, right? It's got some weight to it though. So it's going to be definitely a little bit heavier for sure. That's cool. Okay. So nice choil up there. Definitely can choke up if I wanted to. Have plenty of room. You see that? Plenty of room. Choke up there like that. You see that? With plenty of room back there. So let's do the drop here. Okay, so let's do this. Nice deployment like that. Let's look at that edge. Can we get that edge? Nice and even all the way across. All the way across there as well. Very nice. Yeah, I like that. And this is in Magnacut too, so let's get our little money shot right here. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful little money shot for the knife. I think that's pretty. Let's look at the back. I like the accents on here. I got to tell you, having had a lot of milling on my two other ducks, it's kind of refreshing to have one without any milling. It's kind of a nice, like, antithesis to all the milling. I love his milling. His milling work is phenomenal, mind you. Love to get his dragon scales. I think those are amazing. But this is really nice. I rather dig this. So very, very cool. All right, so again, the action. It's very drop sheddy. So what I'd like to do is we're gonna take a look at this. We're gonna probably tighten this up just a little bit. See if maybe put a little Loctite on there. Let's just take a look at it and see where we're at. Because I think it's a little loose. I mean, it may not be loose, but I'd want to tighten it up a little bit. So let's see if it's T8s on here. I think they're T7s if I'm not mistaken. Oh, that's T8s. So is it a T9 here? No, it's definitely a T10. Right, T10? Maybe a T15? Could it be a T15? Oh yeah, it is T15. Okay, so T10 and T15. All right. What am I doing? I'm so excited. I'm getting all mixed up here. All hidden hardware on this side. That's really cool. Okay. Let's see which side is the loose one. Typically, one side is glued and one is not. And usually the one that's not glued is the one that's facing this way. All right. All right, so this has Delrin bearings. It's not Skiffs on here. Get my cloth here. We'll wipe that down. I hope I have the right. I'm running low on Skiffs, so I may not have what I need, which is kind of a bummer if that's the case. Nice little ramp right there. All right, let's see what I have. I hope I have some. I'd be very disappointed if I don't. So that's 5mm. That's 3/16. So I need 3/16. 3/16 by 1/16. I think I might have those. Well, that's a multi-row. Hold on. I don't think the multi-row would fit, but might as well check. Nope, too big. Too big. All right. So So multi-row with a 0.32 outside is too big. So that's the one that should fit. Let's just see if I happen to have another multi-row. Thought I did. That's even bigger, right? That's 0.32 as well. Yeah. Sorry, my phone's going off there. All right, we'll go with these guys. As you can see, they're just a little bit wider, but they should fit nicely. Oh, maybe not. Are these the ones that are like, hold on, hold on. Yeah, these are the quarter ones. These are the ones that are a little different. Quarter, do I have any quarter 1/16? There's 6 mil. I don't think that's the right one, but we're going to try it. So there we have 2. Okay. Forgot. It's not the pivot size on this one, it's that. So here's the quarter, and here's 6 millimeter. I don't think it's 6 millimeter. Let's double check. Nope. Here's the quarter. Yes. Okay. I should remember that. I didn't. All right, so what we need is the 1/4, 1/16, 13 ball count. Very good. Get some oil out here we're about to put on. Okay, and then we're going to put a little heavy 85 nanoweight oil on the detent ball, or detent nub. Wow, that nub is hardly present. I hope I don't have to get that repaired. Okay, there you go. Fortunately, I have the skiffs. That was nice. It's weird I wouldn't. Again, I'll probably fast forward through this since it's just me packing stuff up. All right. There we are. the Eutsler DUK with the particular skiffs. Let's zoom in on that here. Don't know why I hit that. Oh well. So there we go. That's the Eutsler DUK right there if you were curious. That's the particular skiff sizes that they take. 1/4 pivot, 1/16 ball count, 1/16 of an inch balls, ceramic balls, 13 balls. Inner diameters 0.252 inches, outer diameters 0.420 inches. All right, so that's the perfect fit for that. And these were, I believe, are Delrin. These look like Delrin bearings, so not bad. I'm not a fan of the resin that they're caged in. It doesn't hold up, I think, as well as the full ceramic washer that these are currently on there. So yeah, that's nice. Okay. All right, so there we go. This is the Eutsler DUK knife. Zoom back out. Oop, wait. Come on now. Zoom back out. I'll get this eventually. All right, so this is the Eutsler DUK. Beautiful knife. Love this. We got a great deal on this. Didn't come with the original case, so you know that's one of the things. It has a couple of little snail trails on there, but that's perfectly fine because I'm going to carry this guy. I look forward to carrying it too. Love the action on this thing. Very nice. Look at that. It's already just beautiful. I love skiffs. I don't know, skiffs just feel like more premium for me. All right, hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, who likes the content, who enjoys everything here. I appreciate you guys so very much. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other video. And a big shout out to all my channel members. I appreciate you guys so very much. You guys allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to. You do two things. Allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I could because of your generosity. So I appreciate that genuinely very much. The other thing is you also encourage me because I don't do this full time. I'm part time. So you encourage me to keep going even on days when it's tough and work sometimes gets pretty overwhelming. So thank you. I appreciate you guys. So I do two exclusive things for my members. I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. It's definitely better than the every weekly budget banger that we give away here. I do a nice knife, something I think that you would enjoy either winning or maybe giving as a gift. So I try to do that once a month for the members. And then the other thing is usually for brand new members, and typically it falls to brand new members, I like to mail each new member a channel sticker, an old thank you note. So if you're currently actively a member right now, and you either became a brand new member, you've not asked me, you've not emailed me yet, or you were a member all along and you've not asked or emailed me, or you were a member before and became a member again and you've not asked or emailed me, but you're currently a member, I would love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. Send me your name and address, and yeah, I'll love to mail you out that sticker and thank you note. Appreciate you guys so very much. All right. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.